You know, a lot of gardening advice isn't really hardcore right or wrong. Most of it has to do with your climate, with your soil type,
And of course, your personal preferences. I use a lot of different methods when I sow my seedlings. The most important thing to realize is you need to know why you're doing what you're doing and what results to expect from it, and then you can choose whichever method you want to do or mix them up a little bit. So today I'm going to show you how I do soil blocks. I do them a little bit differently. I found that it's easiest to press the soilless mix or compost or whatever you're using up into the soil blocker with your hand. You can push up the excess moisture, it'll come flowing out of the top. This is a little easier to do than the table method, but you can pick and choose what you want to do. You just clean up the edges and it comes out pretty easily. You don't want any clumps on the side because then it'll be harder to get them closer together. This is the 2-inch blocker. And they came out very cleanly. The reason that I use soil blockers is because I like to reduce the amount of plastic that I use, and also some plants have more fragile roots. Lettuce seedlings aren't as fragile as people think they are, but things like eggplants are, and so this helps them not to become root bound. It's not a bad option. I'm putting 2 or 3 red velvet lettuce seeds in each hole, covering them very lightly, and then I can thin them out later and enjoy them because they are edible. Don't forget to hit subscribe and the bell notification if you want to know when each new video comes out.